Imagine a world where AI is on the brink of achieving something we've only dreamed of: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. OpenAI's latest model, codenamed Strawberry, is set to launch this fall, and it's already making waves in the AI community. With the potential to leap far beyond existing technology, Strawberry could be the breakthrough we've all been anticipating, or even fearing. Let's dive into what makes Strawberry so special, and why it might change everything we know about AI. Strawberry, a true game changer. Strawberry isn't just another AI model. It could be a genuine game changer. Unlike previous models like GPT-4, Strawberry is designed to tackle problems that seemed out of reach, from complex math to strategic planning and advanced reasoning. Think about an AI that not only helps but outperforms experts in areas like puzzles, data analysis, and business strategy. This isn't just about being smart. It's about being revolutionary. Next-level capability. What sets Strawberry apart is its advanced capabilities. This model isn't just a chatbot, it's an AI with next-level reasoning power. OpenAI has already showcased its strengths in synthetic data generation, high-stakes research, and even national security applications. Yes, you heard that right. Strawberry has been shown to U.S. security officials, highlighting its potential far beyond just commercial use. If Strawberry lives up to its promise, it could dominate fields like finance and logistics, pushing AI into uncharted territory. The controversial backstory. But there's more to Strawberry than just its friendly name. Originally called Q-Star, the development of this model wasn't without drama. The process was so intense that it led to internal turmoil at OpenAI, even causing CEO Sam Altman to be temporarily ousted. This wasn't just a simple rebranding, it was a high-stakes pivot driven by the immense pressure and ethical dilemmas surrounding the model's capabilities. The pressure is real. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a leap toward AGI, unmatched performance. When it comes to performance, Strawberry is aiming to set new records. While GPT-4 scored 53% on advanced math problems and GPT 4.0 hit 76.6%, Strawberry is aiming for an unprecedented 90%. If this holds true, we're not talking about a small improvement. We're looking at a quantum leap in AI's ability to think and reason. With the ability to self-generate data and continuously train itself, Strawberry could redefine the standards, reducing our reliance on massive, often flawed, real-world data sets. Strawberry's role in the future of AI. But Strawberry isn't just about the here and now. OpenAI plans to use this model as a stepping stone to create an even more advanced system, codenamed Orion, which could eventually become the much-anticipated GPT-5. This approach, where AI trains AI, shows OpenAI's ambition to develop systems that don't just react, but actively learn and evolve. The concept of AI teaching itself is no longer a distant possibility. It's happening right now. Self-improving AI, a step toward AGI? One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Strawberry is its self-taught reasoning approach, inspired by methods like STAR, or self-taught reasoner. Imagine an AI that doesn't just provide answers, but explains its thought process, learns from mistakes, and continually refines its reasoning. This isn't just a technological advance, it's a step toward creating AI that thinks, reasons, and evolves much like a human. Safety concerns and internal struggles. But with such power comes significant responsibility, and OpenAI isn't free from criticism. Reports of internal conflict, including a mass exodus of safety researchers, have sparked concerns about whether OpenAI is prioritizing speed over safety. Key figures in AI safety have left, worried that the race toward AGI might be ignoring crucial ethical and safety considerations. This internal shakeup raises a crucial question. Is OpenAI moving too quickly? And OpenAI isn't alone in this race. Google DeepMind is close behind, with models like AlphaProof and AlphaGeometry 2 pushing the boundaries of mathematical reasoning. Google's launch of the Gemini series models, designed for high-speed data processing and complex coding tasks, shows just how competitive the AI landscape has become. OpenAI must balance innovation with safety and trust to stay ahead in this fierce competition. Strawberry could be more than just an AI upgrade. It might be a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. But as we edge closer to AGI, the challenges are just as significant as the opportunities. OpenAI is aiming high, but the real question is, can they do it responsibly? If you're excited about the future of AI and want to stay updated on all the latest developments, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep watching as we bring you the most important updates in AI tech.